So today is busy day, but also like a very dreary day because it's been raining and I literally want to go to sleep. It's because this is the perfect weather, and it kind of stopped me from doing certain things because I was supposed to go to the post office today so that I can start getting to well, I was supposed to get a box and start prepping to send off the gifts for the two people who won the a journal mood challenge. And so now I'm going to wait till tomorrow when the weather is much better, and then I'm back at work. Didn't miss it, but it's only a few days and then I'm out for the year, so I'm gonna be positive. Yay. But anyway, I am trying to write up a blog post because November was a sucky day for my blog. Well, sucky month because I didn't really post that much. I literally had, well, no, I had 3 blog posts, which was surprisingly a lot. But I need to try and make up for some of the blog posts that I had prepped and just never posted. Because in December it is right up to my 5-year, guys. January will be 5 years that I've had comfycozyup.com. Yeah, 5 years. It's gonna be January 1st, officially 5 years. So I'm doing this for a while and I still enjoy it, so just have to continue, and that's it. And I'm gonna continue reading. It's 60 pages, this short story, but I stopped to do other stuff, so I'm gonna review that one in this vlog and go back to Dickens a little bit later on. And yeah, that's a chill day today. Chill day. There's gonna be a couple of those this time around, and then there'll be more dig into books, but there's still gonna be books related in each video. But chill. How y'all doing? How you guys? Relax. And what's your plan for December? So you still can make plans, I think. But what's your plan for December? Let me know. Alright, so I'm gonna get back to this and I will check in with you guys later. So guys, I finished Teased, and this is by Aja, I think. I should have looked it up because I just decided to download one more of her shorts because I really like it. Yeah, Aja, I think that's how she pronounced it. It was really good. It's basically, I like how it's a shorts, but she found a way to kind of have a little bit of a slow burn in it, how there's attraction between the two. So basically it's a single mom and her falling for the new coach, the new football coach for her son. So it's one of those kind of story, but it was very nice, juicy, kind of like she needed it. And you know, and I like it. I really like this one. I really like this one. I thought this one was really good. So I'm doing good with the shorts, guys. I'm doing good with the shorts. And then I am going to go back to reading some more of this, the Dickens. So I like that in between a couple of pages, I slip in the short story because these short stories are short. This one literally was 60 pages. And I think the next one is a little longer, like 70 something pages. But I have another shorts as well. So I'm hoping maybe every other day I read a short with this, or every day I read a short with this. I don't know. But it's nice to break up a classic that's this big with some short stories, just to give you guys an idea. There's tons of different themes that you can go for with short stories. Right now I'm on the romance kick. but they're like really short mysteries and all these other genres that you can get into, that if you're struggling with reading big classics and you just want to have like a little bit of a break in between, that's the best way to go. And it makes you even enjoy this more, because when I get back to the store, I'm like, yeah. So yeah, that's the goal for today. Today was just a chill day. I got a package in the mail I didn't expect, which was surprising. That actually not in the mail, there was a delivery for something I bought. So I can't wait to do my unboxing of some stuff that I recently purchased for next year. So yeah, I'm just waiting on one more item, and then I'll be doing the unboxing video for all of this. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, another vlogmas day.